Hey everybody, it's Ray from Team Reese Travels, and today we'll be doing an unboxing video of my new glasses. Check it out with us. Sit down, relax, take a few minutes, get some popcorn if you want to, get some candy, get some snacks, whatever you want to get, and enjoy this new video. Please like, share, and subscribe our videos with others, as well as watch them over and over and over again with yourself and with families and friends. All right, let's get right into it. Today, when as I'm showing you these glasses, I'm going to show you the case. First of all, the case is very nice. It's a very nice case. A lot of times when you get new glasses with a case, it's usually that soft shell case. There's really no kind of form to it. There's really no kind of design to it. There's really no kind of, oh man, look at that case. But this case right here is an exception to the rule. First of all, on this case, it shows the brand of glasses, and this is the Penguin brand of glasses, and I'll link a description below for that brand, that glasses brand. And it has a strap on it. Now, usually when you have a case, sometimes if you get a good case, it usually has a flap that has a magnet here, then there's a magnet here, and it usually folds over so the glasses won't come out. But this one has an integrated strap in it. As you can see, it goes all the way around, which it should, and then it has where it's built in to the glasses case itself, which is essential because a lot of times also you'll see it where this part and this part is just glued to it, and after a while that glue gives away, and then you lose the strap and you try to figure out where it's at, and you lost it somewhere and you don't even know what you did with it. But this one integrated into the case, which helps out to keep it in place. And so that's why I like it. I like this case. This outside of this case is like a faux leather, but I think it's almost looks like a navy blue, and then that strap is a navy blue, gray, and like an army green color. I like those three colors together. They stand out with each other. All right, so let's go inside this case. Inside the case, you will see it's a teal blue, which is pretty nice. It's pretty contrasting color to go with that navy blue on the outside. All right, so here are my new glasses, everybody. I love these glasses so much. First of all, they're different, and that's what I like about them. I'm glad that they're different. They stand out from the crowd. There are not a lot of people who have clear glasses, so that's why I like to stand out from the crowd. I like to be different, and I thought when I tried these glasses on that these were definitely different. As you can see, it's clear all over. The whole frame itself is clear through and through. You can see all the way through it, and then you can also see the nose pieces are molded to the glasses instead of having the traditional plastic pieces that have screws that go into them. And I like that because it gives you a better opportunity to clean those glasses, clean the areas around the nose piece, because a lot of times what happens is when you get those nose pieces that screw into the frames, you get a lot of dirt and grease and grime underneath there. Then you got to get a toothbrush and get in there and get it all out, and it becomes real nasty and disgusting sometimes. So I like that those nose pieces are integrated into these glasses. So second of all, we're going to look at the arms of the glasses. Now these arms are, let's see if I can get a good, there it goes. These arms are a tortoise shell, and I've liked tortoiseshell for quite some time now. I like the way tortoiseshell looks. I like the way the design of tortoiseshell. Now I first saw it, I started wearing tortoiseshell glasses probably 5 or 6 years ago. When I first saw it, I always thought of leopard print. I was like, no, I ain't gonna put no leopard print on. But then when I looked at it, it was a different design from leopard print. So I really like tortoiseshell, and as you can kind of see it. Let's come in a little bit closer. You can see how the tortoise shell is built into those arms of those glasses. So then when you flip them over, you can see it even more. You can see it better on this side, because on this side, one side is tortoise shell, and then on this side, if you can get a clear zoom, there it goes. You get this side is a little bit more translucent, and you can see it, especially right there on the end where it says where they're made. You can see the tortoise shell real prevalent right there. And as we're right there looking at that where it says they were handmade at, you can see that the ends of the glasses are clear. So it goes from a clear frame, as you can see here, then it transfers over to a tortoiseshell frame, which you can see right here, all the way down back to a clear frame again. And then if we flip it over, you can see over here they have put the brand of the glasses built into it right there. The logo for the brand is built into it. I really like these glasses. They have their, of course, they're my prescription, and they have some new things on them which I never had before, which was transition lenses. I was always kind of skeptical about transition lenses. I was like, man, they gonna be too dark. I ain't gonna be able to see nothing. I ain't gonna be able to deal with it. You know, will it one day stop transitioning? Then what am I gonna do? But this time I got transition because I was able to get a good deal on them. The deal was if you get transition, you get the specialty lenses you need to get. You get scratch resistant. It was like 2 or 3 other things. They built it all into one price and gave you a discount on it. So I told the lady, I was like, okay, let's do it. So I got them. So now I have transition lenses, and the transition on the lens, and I'll probably try to put a picture in this video so you can see it at the end of this video so you can see the transition. But the transition is a amber brown. So it pretty much goes right with the same color that you see with the arms of the glasses. And also with the arms of the glasses, they're not just plastic arms, but if you look real close, you see if you get a good zoom there, you look real close, you can see that the metal frame of the arms are molded with the plastic part of the arms as well. So I really like that because that gives it more sturdiness and it gives it more stability. Now, the one thing I did learn about these glasses is they're not made if you have to do a lot of work. They're made if you're putting them on and you're going out, or you're on your daily routine. If you know you're not gonna be doing a lot of strenuous work, which will cause you to sweat, then these glasses are really great for you. If you just if it's you at work and you're just looking at the screen at work, or you driving or whatever it is, these are great glasses for that. When it comes down to doing more strenuous work where it causes you to sweat, then I would maybe suggest a different style of glasses, because these glasses don't hold necessarily like they would like regular glasses would, so they will slide, and then you always catch yourself, and for those who wear glasses, you always catch yourself pushing them back up on your face because you don't want your glasses to fall off. So that was one difference. That was one thing or one difference per se that I didn't like about them, but overall 99.999% I love these glasses. I love again the style of them, how they look, how they're working, how everything goes with them. I love the transition because the transition is not one of those transitions where it goes from clear to boom, it's dark, but it's a gradual ease into the transition, and you can really tell the difference when it's transitioning. And then when it transitions back out, it doesn't go back clear automatically, but you can tell that it's transitioning back out again. So I really like these glasses. I really like how they fit, how they look, and I like these glasses, period. They're just pretty cool. And they're different for me. I love being different. If it goes with my clothes, my shoes, whatever may be going on, whatever I might have on, or whatever I might be doing, I always want to be different. I've never, as long as I can remember, I've never wanted to be the same as everybody else. And these glasses are no exception to the rule I have for myself. And so also what I did buy with these glasses, I bought some accessories. I went to Walmart, and Walmart had these microfiber cleaning cloths, and these are made by, you can see right there, they're made by, I guess that's that Walmart brand, Equate. They're 7x7 microfiber cleaning cloths, and it comes with 2. And this particular style is all black, and then this one is black on this side and is white on this side. I like these, especially this one, because again, it's different. It's different from what any normal cleaning cloth I may have. I like the plaid look. My wife doesn't like for me to be in plaid a lot. She says I have too much, but I don't think you can ever have too much plaid. But then she always comes up with a story from a long time ago when we first started dating. But we won't get into that. That's a whole nother video. But I did buy these microfiber cleaning cloths for these glasses to make sure they stay clean. And then I also bought this cleaning lens solution, this lens cleaner, and it's made by Reese, or I guess that's Z's. Yeah, I guess it's going to be Reese. We're going to go with Reese. So that's Reese, and it's great. You put that stuff on on your glasses, on a mirror, anything, it cleans it right up. So I really like that stuff. And both of these can be found, both of these cleaning cloths, as well as this lens cleaner. This lens cleaner right here can be found in the section where the area where in the front, it's usually in the front of the store where Walmart has their optometrist in the front. You go right there, and right now, of course, because of COVID, you kind of, unless you have an appointment, you can't go in. So you let them know and say, hey, well, I'm looking for cleaning cloths and I'm looking for a solution for my glasses, and then one of the employees there will get those things for you. So that would be my new glasses, everyone. I hope everyone has enjoyed this video, has enjoyed the look of these glasses, has enjoyed my spiel about these glasses, as well as the cleaning cloths and the solution. And if you guys have any questions, any comments, please feel free to comment below in the comment box about what you think about the glasses, what you would have done differently with the glasses, what other kind of glasses you like, what kind of style of glasses you like. If you live in the North, if you're watching this video and you live in the Northwest Indiana or Chicagoland area, I will link a description in the description box my optometrist where I go to get my glasses from. He's very good. I call him I don't want to pronounce his name because it's kind of difficult to pronounce for me, but I call him Dr. C. And Dr. C is really good, and I really like Dr. C and I like his work. I've been going to him for almost 20 years. Just about 20 years. And I remember when I first went to him, in comparison to the last optometrist I had, it was like night and day. I was seeing stuff closer to my face that I've never seen before. So I'm always there when it's time to get my checkups and everything. So again, we'll link his information below for you guys. And if you got any questions, leave them below, leave comments below. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share and share our videos with your family and friends. And if you guys have anything else you want to see, please let us know, and we will try to get those videos to you. Be on the lookout for another video with me and RJ. We will be doing a video called Dad Jokes. Some quick, some straightforward, but it's a little bit different. Like to do things with RJ, try to make sure he's included with everything that we do. So we're going to be doing dad jokes. Don't know how often we're going to put them out, but we're going to put some out for you guys so you can enjoy them. All right, talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye-bye. Team Reese all day.